Hussein here. Welcome to Property Vlogs. This is the luxury 3 BHK apartment tour. Lobby area with high ceiling, branded lift of 6 passenger, and the main door is southeast facing with electronic door lock. Living room and the flooring is Italian marble, and this is the study room. Here is the beautiful modular kitchen with grey and white color combination design cabinets. Now we are heading towards Maid's room area. This is the private garden with washing machine counter and utility area. Maid's room with attached toilet. Once again, this is the L-shaped huge garden area. Also, there is a separate entrance to the maid from the lobby area. This kitchen with chimney, hob and the sink. The built-up area of the apartment is 3,100 square feet, beautifully designed premium apartment. This is the bedroom 1 with attached balcony or garden, walk-in closet and bathroom with American standard and grow fittings and shower enclosure. This bedroom is wooden flooring. The living room private garden. This is the study room, and now this is the bedroom 2 with attached bathroom with all branded fittings and wooden flooring and the wardrobes. Bedroom 3 with dressing table, attached bathroom, wardrobe and wooden flooring. Now quickly I'll show you the amenities of the apartment. So this is the party area along with the pantry, and this is on the terrace. And here is the steam and the gym room. Now on top terrace, infinity swimming pool and the washroom. So that's it for now. For more details, check out the description area, and thank you for watching my video, the beautiful apartment tour. Please like, share and subscribe to Property Vlogs channel for more updates. Thank you guys.